Right now, millions of people are stuck in cubicles, staring at the clock, waiting for 5 p.m. to roll around. But here's the truth. There is a better way. A way to break free from the daily grind and design your life on your own terms. Today, I'm going to show you why you need to ditch your 9 to 5 and take control of your future. Okay, so let's start. Let's be real. 9 to 5 was designed in the Industrial Revolution for factory workers. People who had to punch in and punch out every day. But today, with internet, remote work, and endless opportunities to start your own business, that model is outdated. Yet, many of us are still stuck, feeling like it's the only option. The truth is, 9 to 5 isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle trap. You are trading time for money with little flexibility of freedom. That's not living. That's what you call survival. And you don't want to just be living your life trying to survive. You want to have freedom to do whatever you want and go wherever you want at any time. Now imagine this. You wake up whenever you want, you create your own schedule, and you can work from anywhere in the world. No more commuting, no more asking for vacation days, no more sitting in meetings that could have been normal email. That's actually the beauty of location freedom. And it's not just about travel, though that's definitely a perk. It's about having control of your own life, taking control of your own life. You decide where to work, when to work, what you want to do, and how you want to live your life. That is the greatest life you can live, no matter how stressful it gets. We're in the middle of a global shift right now between the internet, cryptocurrency, and AI. Millions of people are ditching their 9 to 5 because they know there's something better in their life. The rise of the digital nomad movement is exploding, and remote working opportunities is exploding. In fact, studies show that by the year 2025, 70% of the workers in the world can be working online remotely. Doesn't that sound amazing? And it's not just the tech gurus and the influencers doing this. From writers, marketers, teachers, etc. Everyone is trying to get an online job so they have the location freedom to do whatever they want and live this new nomadic lifestyle where you can live from anywhere, work from anywhere, and do whatever you want on your own terms. Now, I can already hear the excuses, but what if I fail? I can already hear the excuses, but what if I fail? I have bills to pay. I have children. I'm married. I have a family. Look, I get it. Stepping away from a steady paycheck is very scary. Trust me, I've done it. But here's the deal. The most successful people in the world didn't get this successful by working for somebody else. And they didn't wait for the perfect moment. They just did it. They took action. You don't need a ton of money to get started. You don't need a ton of money to get started. You don't need to quit your job right away. Start small, launch a small side hustle. Learn a new skill, and find freelancing jobs that works with your passions. Freedom is built over time, one step at a time. So here's the first step. Start identifying what skills you have and what skills you want to learn. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or even starting your own blog, can open up so many opportunities for you. You can probably make money online in less than a month. I remember when I decided to leave the army and travel the world and do what I wanted to do and figure this thing out. Now, I've been trying to figure this out for a couple of years, since 2020, and it's 2024 now. I've been trying to figure this out, but it might take you a long time because I didn't know what skills I had. Now I know what skills I have. Now I know what I have to do. And it was the best thing I ever did. It was the best thing I ever did. It wasn't easy. I had doubts. I had responsibilities. But I couldn't ignore the voice in my head saying, bro, this is not the life that we should be living. We deserve more. We need more. We should be doing more. I couldn't ignore that, so I decided to leave. Now I'm able to work from anywhere. I have flexibility to pursue my passions. And most importantly, I have the freedom. And trust me, once you taste freedom, there is no going back. You know, like the phrase, once you go black, you ain't never coming back. One of those. So, what do we need to do? Here is a step-by-step guide to start getting away from your 9 to 5 and have your freedom. This is the step-by-step guide. 4 steps. This is 4 steps for you to start and be able to ditch your job and ditch your 9 to 5 and be able to have location freedom and work from wherever you want to. Number one, start a side hustle. Find a skill that you have, whether it's video editing, social media marketing. You probably work with AI. You know what I'm saying? You're good with cameras. You're good with painting. You're good with drawing. You're good with writing. Find a small side gig to do and start making money from that first. Find out what skill you have, or find out something that you love that you can make money from, and use that to start making money. Okay, now step 2, save smart. Stop buying luxury goods, stop buying drinks, stop buying marijuana, stop buying drugs, stop buying drinks. Save smartly. Save for your future. If you don't want to save, just invest the money so you don't see it. You know what I'm saying? Do something with you. You know what I'm saying? Like, be able to have a cushion just in case anything happens in your life that's big. Try to be able to save $1,000. That's what I would say. Try to save at least $1,000 to get to where you want to go. Number 3, learn and adapt. Learn these new skills, master the new skills, and learn how to adapt when some things don't go your way. Not everything is going to go your way. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be hard. But you can't stop. You got to keep going. This is for your freedom. This is for your family's freedom. This is to show your family that you can do anything you put your mind to. This is to show yourself that you can do anything that you put your mind to. And number 4 is take the leap. Just jump off the mountain. The parachute might not open right away. You might hit a couple rocks, might break your arm, you know what I'm saying? Might fall in the sky for a couple seconds, but eventually the parachute is going to open, and then once it opens, it's not going to close. You're going to get to your destination. It might take a while, but don't give up on your dream. No matter how young you are, no matter how old you are, do not give up on your dream. You can do anything that you put your mind to. Anything that you put your mind to, you can do it. I'm a living witness of that. You can do anything that you put your mind to. You put your mind to it, you want to do it, just do it every day. Do it like it's your last day, and you will be successful, I promise you. Freedom is calling, and it's closer than you think. You don't have to wait till retirement. You don't have to wait till retirement to live the life that you want. You can start now. If this message resonates with you, hit the subscribe button, smash that like button for more content or how to build more freedom for yourself. And check out my website and resources to get started. Also, go check out my GoFundMe so I can keep bringing out content like this, so I can be able to travel and show you guys the journey. Remember, the 9 to 5 is just one option. Freedom is limitless. It's time to take control of your life. I'll see you on the other side, and I will be so proud for you to tell me your story when you see me in person. If you're ready to start building your path to freedom, subscribe now, follow me on Instagram, and check out the GoFundMe to support more content like this. Let's make freedom a reality together. Thank you for watching.